Hello and welcome to my channel, a channel crafted for technology discovery and transfer to Africa, the channel for closing technology gaps in Africa. Today, let's delve into why Africa urgently needs climate observation satellites. Africa is highly vulnerable to climate change. The continent faces increasing temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and more frequent extreme weather events. Traditional climate monitoring systems on the ground are often inadequate, especially in remote regions. This is where climate observation satellites come in. They offer a unique vantage point to monitor the entire continent, even the most remote corners, with remarkable precision. Early warning systems powered by satellite data can save lives and livelihoods. They can help farmers plan their crops, warn communities about impending droughts, and guide disaster relief efforts. By understanding the changes happening to our planet, we can better adapt and build resilience against the worst impacts of climate change. Climate change is not just an environmental issue, it is a human issue. By investing in climate observation satellites, we are investing in a more sustainable and prosperous future for Africa. Climate observation satellites are equipped with sophisticated instruments to monitor Earth from space. These instruments fall into two main categories: passive and active sensors. Passive sensors, like cameras and radiometers, detect the natural energy emitted by the Earth. Active sensors, like radars, emit their own signals and measure how they are reflected back from the Earth. Imagine a spectrometer aboard a satellite. It's like a prism, breaking down sunlight reflected from the Earth's surface into its different colors. By analyzing these colors, scientists can identify different types of vegetation, assess ocean health, and even track air pollutants. Radiometers measure the intensity of radiation at various wavelengths, helping monitor temperature changes on land and sea. These technologies provide us with the information we need to understand our changing climate. Satellites orbit the Earth at different altitudes, each offering a unique perspective. Some satellites are positioned in geostationary orbit, always remaining above the same point on Earth. Others follow polar orbits, circling the planet from pole to pole. As satellites orbit our planet, they continuously collect data about our climate system. This data is transmitted back to Earth in the form of radio waves. Powerful computers on the ground then process this raw data into images, maps, and other visualizations. The data collected by climate observation satellites is freely available to governments, researchers, and the public. Whether it's a farmer deciding when to plant crops or a government planning for disaster relief, satellite data is playing an increasingly vital role in our lives. From space to solutions, satellites in service of Africa's climate challenges. Climate observation satellites are powerful tools for addressing Africa's most pressing climate challenges. In agriculture, satellite data can help farmers optimize irrigation, monitor crop health, and predict yields. For water management, satellites can monitor rainfall patterns, track the flow of rivers, and detect groundwater reserves. By monitoring weather patterns and providing early warnings for floods, droughts, and wildfires, satellites can help communities prepare for and mitigate the impact of these disasters. In conservation efforts, satellites play a crucial role in monitoring deforestation rates and tracking the health of ecosystems. As technology advances and data accessibility improves, the potential applications of these satellites will only continue to grow. A brighter future. Economic and social benefits of satellite technology for Africa. Investing in climate observation satellites for Africa unlocks opportunities. Satellite data drives innovation, creates jobs, and fosters regional collaboration. Imagine African entrepreneurs developing climate-smart agricultural apps. Satellite technology improves agricultural yields and disaster preparedness. A robust space industry creates high-skilled jobs and positions Africa globally. Overcoming obstacles. Addressing the challenges of satellite infrastructure in Africa. Building and launching satellites is a costly endeavor, and many African nations lack the financial resources to do so independently. There is also a shortage of skilled personnel to operate and maintain satellite infrastructure. However, these challenges are not insurmountable. International collaboration is key. Developed countries with advanced space programs can support African nations by providing technical assistance and financial aid. Public-private partnerships can also play a crucial role in leveraging private sector expertise and investment. There is a growing trend of developing less expensive, smaller satellites that are easier to deploy and operate. By embracing these innovative approaches and fostering international partnerships, Africa can harness the full potential of climate observation satellites. This is a call for action and for investing in Africa's climate future through satellite technology. The time to act is now. Climate change is already impacting Africa. The need for reliable, timely, and comprehensive climate information has never been greater. Investing in climate observation satellites for Africa is an investment in a shared future. Empowering African nations with these tools helps build resilience and a sustainable future. We urge global support for Africa's climate satellite initiatives. Through financial contributions, technology transfers, and capacity building, we can ensure Africa has the tools to navigate climate challenges. From ground stations to satellites, Africa's climate observation future depends on innovation, collaboration, and investment. Together, we can ensure that the continent is equipped to tackle the challenges of climate change head-on. Like, share, and subscribe to support climate innovation and learn more about how we can shape a better future for Africa and the world. Bye-bye for now, and see you soon for another video.